Good morning, friends. Welcome back to our academic session of the year 2021. In this standard 8, we are starting with exercise 4.1. Question number 1 we have done. Now we are proceeding further for question number 2, exercise 4.1. Here you will find we want to construct a quadrilateral JUMP and measurements are given. So 4 sides are given and a diagonal given. Similar to the previous, that is first question. Now using the set square, compasses, scale, we will first of all draw the figure and then we will start with steps of construction. Here you will see a rough sketch of quadrilateral, that is JUMP, in which you will find JU 3.5 centimeter, UM 4 centimeter, MP 5 centimeter and PJ 4.5 centimeter. One diagonal is also given, that is PU. PU is a diagonal, that is 6.5 centimeter. Now using scale, compasses, we will just construct the quadrilateral as per the measurement given to us. So all of you are requested to pay attention and proceed further. As we all know, we require a set of all the geometrical instruments. Now first, base is required. So first of all, base means this JU 3.5 centimeter. So using a scale, we will first construct JU of 3.5 centimeter. See, I am using black pen to make this one dark. Okay. So on your screen you will find that is from 0 to 3.5. We will first, this is J point and U line segment 3.5 centimeter. Apart from this, now we will just use this compasses. Now a diagonal is given to us, okay, and 2 sides are also given to us. So first of all, we can start as we require. So any one side we can go. So from J to P 4.5 centimeter. So 4.5 here. Hope so clear to everyone. Taking J as center, just simply we make an arc, light arc, not very dark. And the distance between U to P is 6.5. So again we will take the measurement with the help of scale given to us, and that is 6.5. Clear? This way, taking U as center, just we try to cut it. So 4.5 जो था, that will be from J. Sometimes yes, थोड़ा बड़ा भी बनाना पड़ता है. So intersection may be any. Now with the help of pencil, you can just join this point and name this point as P. Am I right? Now secondly, we can join this P and U, which is a diagonal 6.5 centimeter. Now half portion is completed. Now we will take U to M and P to M. So that will be easy for us, U to M and P to M. We don't know where it is exactly here. So we will take the measurement of 5 centimeter and make an arc, and U also 4 centimeter, and intersection of these two arc will be M. So again, with the help of compasses, 4 centimeter arc from U. So we want to adjust 4 centimeter and make arc. Clear? So here, if you find it is a disturbance, you can slightly shorten this arc after you get the point. ये वाले arc previous one. Okay friends, and from P to M distance is 5 centimeter. So again, with the help of scale, we will take 5 centimeter and P is center, and we will just intersect it. So friends, the intersection is already given to you, and the intersecting point is M. With the help of scale, you can join these two and you can complete it. So here we have joined U and M and P and M. Just we will write down the measurement. This is 5 centimeter. This one is UM 4 centimeter, and this one 4.5 centimeter, and the diagonal PU 6.5 centimeter. Now we can write the steps of construction. In your own language also you can write it out. Okay, very simplest way you can write it. So I start from here. Steps of construction. First, what we have done, that is construct a line segment JU 3.5 centimeter. Secondly, we have done J to P, taking J as center with radius, means what we are taking with the help of this compasses and scale, taking with J as center with radius how much, 4.5 centimeter. Draw an arc on any one side of JU. Then next point, you can see that third point we have just made U to P. Okay, so again taking U as center with radius 6.5 centimeter, draw an arc such that it intersect the previous arc, okay, at point, which point, P. Then what we have done, we have taken a scale and joined the point P, U and P, J. Now join P U and P J with the help of ruler. Then next what we have done, we have started with U, an arc of 4 centimeter, and from P taking as P a center, and another arc which intersect at point M, and that is the measurement 5 centimeter. So again we will write for that part also. So taking P as center, draw an arc of 6 centimeter radius on the same side, नहीं तो फिर नीचे जाएगा क्या, same side we have to say, and taking U as center with radius, how much radius? 4 centimeter. Draw an arc such that it intersect the arc from P at point M. And lastly, fifth point, join PM and UM with the help of ruler. So you can write in your own language. Don't skip this. In the examination you will have a question such indicates you have to just go for drawing only, maybe of 2 marks or 3 marks, and if it is given of 5 marks, then you have to write steps of construction also. 4 marks or 5 marks, then you have to write steps of construction. Sometimes they give 2 marks figure and 2 marks for steps of construction. So depends upon the weightage of the mark, you need to do this. Many times an instruction is also given along with the question, write steps of constructions. Okay, but if instruction is not given and the weightage of mark is 2, then only construction, and the weightage of mark is 4, then with construction you have to write the steps. God bless you all. For the next video, be ready.